I'd like to share a recipe of Harbuzianka. Harbuzianka is not a traditional Belarusian dish. It was invented by a dear friend of mine, Tamara Gabrus. Tamara Gabrus is a phenomenal person. She is Doctor of History of Architecture. She writes poetry. She is extremely knowledgeable about art and a lot of other things, including history, religion, and life. So she shared this recipe with me, and I'm sharing it with you. Harbuzianka, you will need definitely a pumpkin, some potatoes, a big onion, and parsley. First, we take a part of the pumpkin. The proportions of potatoes and the pumpkin can vary, but I prefer when it is 50-50. So I have taken a part of pumpkin, practically the same as potatoes, probably a little bit more. And now I'm going to peel both the pumpkin and the potatoes. The next step, we need to dice the pumpkin. So the pieces should be about like 1.5 centimeter. And we cut the potatoes in four. This is done, we start chopping the onion. The size of chopping can vary depending on your taste. I don't like too much onion in my food, so I think half of this big onion will be enough. And the next step would be to chop some parsley. Again, the amount varies depending on your likes, your preferences. Now all ingredients ready, we can start cooking. We start by pouring some oil into a pan. Oh, we need to switch on the cooker. I put 3 here, and we start by frying some onions with pumpkin. So we need to wait. We can cover it with a lid. Stir it occasionally, of course. Frying time would be about maybe 5-10 minutes. Then add parsley. As I have already said, the amount can vary depending on your preferences. Now I think it's time to add potatoes. Again, it's not French cuisine. Everything is to your taste. You can fry it longer or shorter. Put potatoes cut in 4 and pour water just to cover the potatoes. Maybe a little bit less because this pan is wide, so probably this is already a little bit too much, but you can just boil it a little bit longer to get the water out. So, and then I cover it with a lid and I add the temperature and let it boil. So you boil it actually until the potatoes are ready. Well, the potatoes are ready, so it's time for us to turn off the cooker, and we should mash it. So you can mash it using a blender, but I prefer when I have a little bit bigger pieces, so I just mash it like this. And if you want, you can definitely add some salt, but I eat my food without salt, so I'm not doing that. Our Harbuzianka is ready to serve. So this is half of what I have cooked. So the amount you have seen, I can serve 2 portions.